Yeah, just a quick help video. We're on a Seat Leon 16 plates MQB software. I'm just showing you now. We've got a working key, we're just doing a spur key. So we've got Vvdi 2 connected and laptops connected to the internet. Just tell me I've got an update. Okay, so let's see. So first thing you need to do is click diag. That tells us it's NEC, which means we don't have to send any codes off. We can do it all now. So we click read EEPROM file. Read EEPROM next. The dash may go dark, but it says insert the key of a working key. Login method 1. Okay, and it's just, the dash might go on and off again. Don't worry if it does. It's just trying to access in. It might not connect first time. Don't panic, you might have to try again. But it's just trying to log in now. Dashboard will go dark, that's fine. It's trying now. Dashboard has gone dark. I mean, it's working, doing something. Brilliant, we've got the data now. It says only set at the end if the dash doesn't come back on. So we need to save the file. Click save. Just put that Seat Leon. I'll put the reg in later. Save it to my desktop. So I've got the backup data file if I need it. Okay, so back to this screen now. Now I'm going to need to click on read Immo data. Now, read Immo data is fantastic, but dash is still dark, so I might have to do some reset in a minute. So now I'm going to put my working key, my spur key, sorry, in the box. I'm going to create a dealer key. Make dealer key there. Click on normal, Seat, normal, next. Press OK. Make sure dealer key, yes. Add key, yes. So now it says take this key out, in the ignition, put this key in the so the original now in the hole. So it's reading the pre-code data from here. Right, do you want the synchronized data? You can prepare a key. Yeah, go on then, let's click yes. We don't really need it, but it's good to save it, just in case we kick everything out. This is sync data. You only use this if you've lost all keys. Okay, so now it says put the new key in the device, but this time you need to put the working key back in the ignition. It doesn't tell us this, but we must do that. Okay, now put that in there, put the new key. Verify the transponder, make smart key, it's done successful now. That's done now, but you need to reset instrument cluster now because the dash is still dark. It's not going to let us program a key yet. So we'll reset instrument cluster, boom, dash comes back live again. We're happy now. Now, we click on add key. You should have the Immo data saved, we do. Click yes. Now we're going to go to this learn all keys. Just a safety protocol, we're going to erase all keys to the car. That horn is telling me the door is open and the ignition's on. So click next. Now we should see the dash. So it's only logging 1 yet. Now the dash should set 1 of 1 in a minute. Okay, it's just saying. Press OK. So we should see dash at 1 of 1. Is the car keyless? No, it's not. Right. Now it says 0, 1 of 2. 0, 2. Now it's changed to 1, 2. Now we need to take this key out. Put in a new one. And we should see the dash change to 2 of 2. 2 of 2. Brilliant. And then once we're finished, we just click OK, and it's going to save the data as I completed. Done. All successful learned. Fantastic. So what I'll do now is wait sure everything starts up, and then I'll just delete the 2 files over here and put them in a recycle bin, just in case the customer ever loses the keys. I don't have to send the data off, I can actually just do it there and then. Thank you.